Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at an item I purchased myself. I did buy this. The company did not send me this. This is a desk protector. So it's a multifunctional desk mat. That's what it's called. Waterproof, it says, smooth surface, easy to clean, and heat proof. Now the reason why I got this is because I do a lot of reviews, as you see here, and I'm getting a lot of reflection from them using here, because this has like a little wax coating on it, and I think it's just giving it just too much I don't know, too much shine. So what I'm going to do is use this here. This is like a leather, fake leather material, and it's a matte color, or matte, and they have different colors. So I got the specific color. So I just do an unboxing. I want to show you what I got here, and then we'll take a look at it together and tell me what you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're enjoying my reviews. I appreciate it as always. We'll look here together and see what I think I ordered a blue one. Let's take a look at it. This is how it comes. So it came in a couple of days. It comes in this box, as you can see here. Let me open this up. Did I get what color? I like blue. Let me get this out of the way, and let's take a look at this. It is all sealed up. Take a look at it. And I wanted something for the desk, something that I could not worry about, you know, scratching. This is like getting scratched because again, it's like a wax coating on here, and this is like a leatherette or fake leather, and it's a little bit better. It's not as shiny. It's actually much better. Oh, that's good. I like that. Oh, this is going to be good. I like nice material, but you can see the difference. See how this is a little bit more muted? It absorbs the light because it's not shiny. So look at the difference. Let me show you. See how that's that hot spot right here? So what I'm doing is oh, those two different colors. I didn't realize that. Oh, look, we got the green on the bottom. Oh, I didn't know we had two colors in the blue. I like the blue personally, but we do have green and blue, so that's nice. I like that. Let's open this up and take a look at it. And it also has a strap, two-tone strap on it. That's cool. I like that. And this comes with it. That way you can just, you know, if you're done with it, you can wrap it up. It's a good size. You can see how it's going to look. Just give you an example. And this is a nice mat to work on. I like this a lot. This is really nice, perfect for the light and the balance. I like this quite a bit. This is an item just to see how it looks in the background. Beautiful. That really pops out nice. With the red, it was just too much. With this here, you can see it takes in some of the light and it disperses it better, and also protects your desk at the same time. So I definitely, so far, I like it. I'll just show you what it looks like here. The thickness. It's fairly thick, actually. It feels nice. Doesn't have any funny smells, which is, you know, sometimes you buy these things and they have a funny smell. This does not. So that's the green. The green's a little shinier than the blue, just a drop. But I personally like the blue. It's a great background. You can see me just wrap that like that. You can just see how nice that looks. It's going to look good with any product. Here's a power supply like that. If I want to show you a close-up of that, you can. Super easy, just like that. Boom. There you go. That does that. Nice. I like that. So I definitely highly recommend this. So if you're looking for a mat or you're looking for a pad, this is definitely a nice quality. I love it. I'll leave a link down below in the video. You can take a look at that link. Go ahead and purchase that. I do get a small commission, as you do know. Everything I do raise with my channel goes to the channel and help build up for do more reviews, something like this. But I was looking for myself, and I wanted to just make a quick video and just show you what this is. And this is a pretty long one. It's a good size. It's a very good size, actually. This is pretty large. Let me just get a quick measurement for you. I'll give you an example right here. This is 35¼ by 17 inches. So it's a nice large mat. Not too big, but just big enough. I absolutely love it. All right, guys, I appreciate it. I appreciate your time as always. Hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you at the next review. And there'll be a link over here for this product right, where am I? Right over here. There'll be a link right over here, right there. And also down below in the shop as well. Check out that as well. And also in the description. So there's 3 links available. So if you're interested in this product, go right ahead. It does help support my channel. And I'll see you at the next review.